would like to see the results, please keep on watching. We are starting with freshly washed, deep conditioned, and detangled hair. Today we are using the Aunt Jackie's Curl La La. The smell is a little grapey, like grape medicine. I am sectioning off my hair because we are using medium to small sections. After I apply my leave-in conditioner and my oil, I detangle through my hair once more. Then I part the hair into 3 strands so that I can continue to braid. I let my hair dry overnight and now I'm going to take it down. I was in a bit of a rush, so I wasn't able to film the whole takedown, but I did show you guys a clip of what my hair looks like. What's up out there? My name is Angelica. You're watching the Angel Dior TV. This is my braid out results using the Curl La La from Auntie Jackie's. This product states that it is supposed to elongate bouncy curls and waves, tight scrunchy curls, or springy coils. It still has a nice little pattern, but it's also a little frizzy, a little fluffy, but I don't mind that. I like when my curls look a little bouncy and fluff and just a little bit of frizz, just because it just looks like a lot of volume to my hair. I did do a video on the Auntie Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Gel mixed with wheat protein. I did do that. That was my previous video. On that change because I recorded that video on my, I think it was 2nd or 3rd day hair. That did not last throughout the whole entire week. and my hair got very dry very quickly. By second day, I already started to feel like it was drying out a little bit, and then by third day it was definitely dried out. So I was just throwing it up into a pineapple and rocking it like that as I go, because I really only want to do my hair once a week, because that's all I have time for is once a week. So I try to get the products that's going to work for me for a whole week, and then I wash my hair again like the following week. But that wash and go using the Auntie Jackie's flaxseed don't gel, it just was not working for me. Natural hair products work differently on different hair types. We could have the same hair type and the same product will work differently on us, even though it seems like we have the same hair type, but things are just different. We have different DNA. So which means my hair, it can look like yours, it could be similar to yours, but it's not exactly yours. So which means that whatever products that I use on my hair may not work for you, or it may work for you. So yeah, just take it with a grain of salt. Bye guys, thank you for watching this video. Peace, love, and hair grease.